Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the PS5 serial number and purchase proof. This is the key to eligibility. Once located, sign into your Sony account or create one if needed, because registration ties warranties to accounts. Make sure to have the receipt or bank statement handy for date verification. Next, open Sony's registration portal and select Product Registration. This directs you to the form fields for serial, purchase date, and retailer. Do this now so you can complete the next steps without delays. You now fill the registration form carefully. Enter the serial, model, and exact purchase date because incorrect dates can void benefits. Once done, upload a clear image or PDF of the receipt. Make sure the retailer name and date are legible. Then confirm your contact details and country of purchase so service centers route correctly. If prompted about extended coverage or promotions, read terms before accepting. After review, submit. You'll receive confirmation by email with a reference number. You finish by saving the confirmation email and reference number. This proves registration. Once saved, check your Sony account's product list to confirm the PS5 appears and warranty dates match. If registration fails, make sure images are clear, dates match your receipt, and retry. If problems persist, contact Sony support with the reference number and screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: if the serial isn't accepted, clean the label, retype carefully, and try again. Serial entry mistakes are the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.